I'm going to upgrade my shop lighting after the old lights. Just, you know, each held, I had two of them, they each held two 60-watt bulbs. You know, this little sticker always tells you don't put more than a 60-watt bulb in there. And as they got older and older, they either got dimmer and dimmer, or my older eyes just couldn't see as well. And I kept trying to put light at each tool, you know. Oh, I need a little light that attaches to the bandsaw. Yeah, let's get that option. And oh, we need one here, need one there. And I was like, well, hey, wait a minute. Why don't I just get better lights up in the ceiling? And that's what I'm going to work on today. The first shop light I put up, I was trying to hold it with one hand. It's not very heavy, but then I'm trying to measure over to the wall over here and over here, making sure it's straight. And then to put the holes in to screw it up into the ceiling and hold it at the same time, it was just all kind of difficult. So the following two, I used the cardboard from the actual box and cut out where the wires come through, and then I marked and cut holes where the bolts can attach it up to the ceiling. And I just taped this up to the ceiling, and then I had both hands to measure over and get it straight. And I would just kind of pull it down and move a little bit and then tape it back up. And it was much easier, worked really great. I put the cardboard template up and then drilled holes in those outer holes, put those plastic sheetrock inserts into that, and then took this cardboard down and put the light up. And I just had to use a washer around the screw head because the holes in the lights were a little large. The screw head would go through otherwise. And otherwise I was hooking the black wire and the white wire to the black and white wires and the ground to the ground. And very simple. The light comes with two 4-foot plastic tubes, just like the old fluorescent tubes. It's the same form factor, same ends, but there's no ballast in it. It just runs directly off the 120 volts. These bulbs have the some sort of opaque covering over them, so you can't see the individual LEDs like you can in my other lights, which are the same brand, just a different bulb, I guess. This light has the clear covering over the bulb so you can see the individual LEDs. Well, the lights turned out great. The shop is a ton brighter than it was, and actually it takes almost 100 watts less to power these lights than the old ones. So that's awesome. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.